There's nothing better in spending quality time with friends and family around a table. So bring your cell phones closer and start by doing the questionnaire on the Bible and see how many answers you can get right. I'm going to show you how to use this app in this short video, and even make your own questionnaire that you can send to me so that I can post it for you. So let's get started. First thing that you must do is you go to the link that was sent by you. There's the link, or you can click on the link in the description below to go to this page. So what you do is you click either on your cell phone on this link, or on your computer you can click on this link, and then it will open the next screen for you. This is the screen that you're going to be greeted with. What you do is you click on the first screen anywhere on your cell phone, then it will show you the instructions, and then click on the second screen and the first question will appear. So what you can do is now you can read out the question, you can make your decision, and if you've chosen one, it will tell you if it is the correct one. If it's not the correct one, what you do is on the bottom you'll see there's a tab that say back, so you click on back. It will take you to the question again, and then you can answer the question again, or you can try to answer the correct way. If it's correct, it will give you your mark, and then you can go to the next question by clicking the next. And that is how you continue through the whole question setup. Thank you for watching this fast and quick video of how to participate in the questionnaire of the Bible. I've made this app by using the free online version of Marvel, and you will find a link to my video on how to use it in the description below. So be creative and start making your own questionnaires and send it through to me, to my website, or to my email address provided below, and then I can post it for you and send it around. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I truly hope you enjoy and learn something out of this questionnaire. Till next time, enjoy your time. Goodbye.